biology and its branches. Today we have to see. Biology is the living branch of science. We can say the study of nature. And this biology word is from two fragments, bio and logos. Bio means living and logos means study. This is the Latin word, and study of living being is called biology. And main branches of biology are botany, zoology and microbiology. What about the botany? The study of plants is called botany. The study of animals is called zoology. And study of microorganisms, viruses, bacteria, all these things is called
Microbiology.
Now in details, which are the different branches of biology on which biology is depends. Starting from the cell, just like building is made from the bricks, our body is made from the cell. This is the basic identity of living being. Correct? When anything is made up of cell, then that is the living being. And the branch of biology which study the cell is called what?
Cytology.
Cytology. And in this cytology, different cell organelles, plasma membrane, nucleus, mitochondria, cell division, all these things are studied in the cytology. And when the cell, similar cell comes together and perform the function, that is called histology. The group of cell is called histology. Plant tissue, animal tissue.
Yes, sir.
All of you know these are the in histology. The study of tissue is called histology. Which are the plant tissue? Meristematic tissue, parenchyma, parenchyma, sclerenchyma, xylem, phloem. Which are the animal tissues? Epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue, nervous tissue. All these tissues are studied in which? Histology. Now next, biochemistry. We have seen the cell, and cell contain different chemicals, nutrients we can say, protein, carbohydrate, fat, vitamins, minerals, organic nutrients, inorganic nutrients also, sulfur, potassium, calcium, magnesium. All these present in the water or cytoplasm, mixed content of the cell. And this
Start.
now next branch is genetics. What is in genetics? Whatever the cell that contain the nucleus, and what is present in the nucleus? Genes. DNA, chromosomes. Chromosome contains the DNA and DNA contains the genes. That heredity information study, heredity variation, that is called genetics. Genetics is in more detail, monohybrid cross, dihybrid cross, Mendel, correct? Different syndromes also, genetical syndromes, Down syndrome, Turner syndrome. Now come to the ecology. Study of ecosystem, nature is called ecology, just like forest ecosystem, grassland ecosystem, and man-made ecosystem made by man, crop,
Yes, but
and aquarium also. These are in the ecology, the study of ecosystem. Then developmental biology, how the development of the embryo takes place. Just like sperm, eggs fuse and form the zygote that convert into blastula, gastrula, organ formation, that all developmental stages, and in detail how the embryo develops, that is called developmental biology. Now next, molecular biology. Molecular biology means molecules in biology. Which are the molecules in biology? Actually molecules means DNA, RNA, genetical molecules, actually proteins, their detailed study. How the DNA made up of, how we can break the DNA, and how the replication of DNA takes place. Protein synthesis, translation, transcription, all these things at molecular level of genetics is called molecular biology. Means this is, we can say, the detailed study of genetics is called molecular biology. Then taxonomy. Classification of plants and animals is called taxonomy. We can classify plants and animals in different categories. We have seen in the 11th standard that classification, vertebrates, invertebrates, flowering plants, non-flowering plants. This detailed classification, nomenclature, this is called taxonomy. Again, this taxonomy when related with evolutionary study. When evolutionary study is connected to taxonomy, in detail when we study the taxonomy, that is called biosystematics. Now here, plant morphology, plant physiology, we study the plants in the biology. But when we are studying only morphology, hardware of the plants, different parts of the plants, roots, stem, leaves, okay, flowers, seeds, that is called plant morphology. art we are studying. When we are studying plant physiology, actual functioning, how the photosynthesis, how the plant hormones working and their role in the plant development and growth. That is called plant physiology. Now after that, in animals also we see the different systems of animals and their structure, just like digestive system, mouth, esophagus, small intestine, large intestine. Okay, only structure we are going to see. Respiratory system, nose, nasal chamber, correct, alveoli. Only structure we are going to see in animals. That is called animal morphology. When functioning, how the digestion taking place, how the respiration taking place, how the endocrine glands working and our body is getting developed, correct, how the growth and different system, how respiratory system working, how excretory system is working, how nervous system is working. That all physiological functioning is called animal physiology. Okay, this is also the special unit in 11th standard last. Then biodiversity, different plants, animals in the nature present and that are having uniqueness, different characteristics. Just like in plants, medicinal plants also having again variations. Okay, this is called biodiversity. Just like different type of plants, animals we see in the nature, that is called biodiversity. Diverse nature is called biodiversity. And last, biotechnology. When we use the technology in biology, that is called biotechnology. Just like very simple bread industry depends on biology, biotechnology. What is yeast? No? That is ferments the product and different products forms, just like cheese, bread, correct. And also the different chemicals also produced by the biotechnology method, just like penicillin vaccine of coronavirus, correct, different antibiotics, vaccines, these are the biology product, and actually that is on the basis of biotechnology.
Yes.
Even that beer industry, wine industry, that are also having the fermentation, that yeast, Saccharomyces cerevisiae. In this way, these are all the different branches of biology and that are total related to our life, just like agriculture, health, technology, correct, and our development also, human development also. So this is, we have seen biology and its different branches. Thank you.